Ever felt lost exploring a new city, missing its hidden gems? That was me in Amsterdam, struggling to experience its true essence. Scrolling online, I discovered these incredible Amsterdam Canal cruises tickets. What caught my eye? The chance to explore Amsterdam's iconic canals effortlessly. The variety of cruise options made it easy to find my perfect match. Booking online was seamless. No lines, no stress, just pure convenience. Once aboard, the stunning views and serene vibes left me speechless. It transformed my trip, relaxing, scenic, and totally unforgettable moments captured. No more wandering aimlessly. This cruise gave me Amsterdam's best in one go. Why settle for less when you can experience Amsterdam like this? Ready to make your Amsterdam adventure unforgettable? Book your canal cruise now.